Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 21st, our word of the day is calumniate. C-A-L-U-M-N-I-A-T-E. Calumniate. Calumniate is a 10-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Calumniate means to make statements about someone that are not true and that are damaging to their reputation. In other words, to make a false accusation against someone or spread lies about how awful they are. Don't calumniate your rival in the race for class president, because when the truth comes out, you'll be the bad guy. Similar words include asperse, besmirch, defame, slander, smirch, denigrate, sully, smear. Examples of sentences using calumniate are: Martha knew it was wrong to calumniate her former employer, but she could not help herself. His foes were calumniating him in the press. He has tried to calumniate and destroy everyone whose opinions differ from his. She claimed that we had grossly calumniated the medical profession. Do you think he is capable of lying or calumniating in court? Calumniating me is to calumniate your friend. Make sure to save this new word, calumniate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!